Hello students, how are you today? I'm good. Today, let's continue Unit 10. How much time do we have? Lesson 4, 5, and 6. First, let's check your homework. Answer number 2 on page 76, student book. Exercise number 1 on page 68, workbook. Exercise number 2 on page 68. Listen and check the box.
Two. What did Hang look for?
Do you have everything?
Yes. No!
What are you looking for? It's not your passport, is it?
No, it's my money. Ah, there it is. It was in my magazine.
Good. I'm glad you found it.
3. Where are they going to meet Hang's dad?
Okay, Kung. We need to go and collect our luggage. Then, we are going to meet your dad.
Is he meeting us in arrivals?
No, there are no chairs there, so we're meeting him near departures.
Okay.
4. What area of the airport did Hang like most?
Did you enjoy flying?
Yes, although it was a bit boring just reading my magazine.
Oh, no. What did you like?
I liked departures. There were lots of things to see. Arrivals wasn't so interesting, though. They just checked my passport and then we left.
And here are the answers. Exercise number 1 on page 69. Exercise number 2 on page 69. Exercise number 3 on page 69. Did you correct? Exercise number 1 on page 70. Please check it carefully in your workbook. Okay, let's continue our lesson. Lesson 4, Phonics and Spelling. Today, we study how to pronounce simple past ed endings. Hôm nay, cô cùng các em sẽ tìm hiểu về các phát âm cuối ed trong các động từ có quy tắc ở thì quá khứ đơn nhé. There are 3 different ways to pronounce ed. Có 3 cách khác nhau để phát âm từ ed. Ed say t. Ed say it. Ed say d. Finished. Worked. Waxed. Started. Waited. Painted. Showed. Played. Rained. Now, look at part 1. Listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat.
ed say t, walked, finished, washed. ed say id, waited, painted, started. Ed say d. Showed. Played. Rained.
Now you do exercise number 4. Listen to the words, write them in the correct boxes.
Listening 93. Listen to the words. Write them in the correct boxes. Painted. Washed. Played. Showed. Walked. Waited. Finished. Started. Rained.
Have you finished? Let's check the answers. Lesson 5. Skills Time. Look at the pictures. What do you know about Yang's vacation? I can see he and his family were on a bus to somewhere at night. And I see some people were dancing on a stage. Some people were clapping their hands. Now, listen to the city and see what happened in his vacation.
Listening 94. Listen and read.
Dear Lung, how are you? We had a really unusual start to our vacation. My family and I were on a bus to Vung Tau. It was a long journey, but it was comfortable and we were happy. Suddenly, we heard a bang. The bus stopped and the driver couldn't start it again. I was disappointed and bored, so my mom and dad said we could walk to the nearest town and meet the bus there when it started again. It was night, and we could see lights in the town on the road. It looked like a festival. The other people on the bus walked with us. When we got to the town, there was a band playing, and people were dancing on a stage. There were lots of beautiful lights decorating the street. All the people in the town said hello when they saw all of us. We had some really fresh fruit, and they gave us some drinks. I talked to a boy who was 10 years old, like me. He was really friendly. We all listened to the band together. Then the bus came into the town. The driver also ate some food before we started our travel again to Vung Tau. We had a fantastic evening, and it was a great start to our vacation. Write soon to tell me about your vacation. Love, Zeng.
Now, underline these words in the text. Guess their meanings. I will show you the meanings of these words. Then we do exercise number 4. Read again, write true or false. Let's check your answers. Number 2, false. Number 3, true. Number 4, true. Lesson 6. Listen to the city and do exercise number 1.
Listening 95. Listen and write N, nhấn, L, lan, or P, Phong. 1.
My name's Nyan. This year, I went on vacation with my grandparents because my parents had to work. My grandparents have a vacation home near a beach. We went by car and it took 5 hours. We had lunch in a restaurant on the way. We went to the beach every day and played soccer and frisbee. My grandparents are really healthy and fun. I had a great time.
2.
I'm Lan. I went on a vacation with all my cousins to a big house in the mountains. I have 8 cousins, so we had lots of fun together. There was a big lake near the house, so we went for walks and also went swimming. It was very warm, so it was okay when we got wet. We also sang outside in the evening. It was very beautiful in the mountains.
3.
My name is Feng. This year, we didn't go away for vacation. We had our vacation at home. My parents didn't go to work for 2 weeks, and we went to different places together each day. We went to the movie theater and the zoo. At the zoo, we saw giraffes, lions, bears, and crocodiles. I liked them all, but my favorite was the lions.
And here are the answers. Did you correct? Now listen again and circle. Exercise number 2. Okay, let's check your answers. Now we move to writing. Today we study how to address envelopes. Về phần viết, hôm nay chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau tìm hiểu cách ghi địa chỉ ngoài phong thư. Bước 1. Dán tem ở góc trên cùng bên phải. Bước 2. Ghi tên của mình. Bước 3. Ghi số nhà hoặc số căn hộ, sau đó là tới tên đường. Bước 4. Ghi tên thị trấn hoặc thành phố. Bước cuối cùng, hãy ghi mã bưu chính của thành phố nơi mình ở. Now, please do exercise number 4. Read and circle. There's one example. The stem goes on the right. Now you do the same with other sentences. And here are the answers. Exercise number 5. Write your address and draw a stem. I have example in here. Write your name, your address, the city. Good job. And here are homeworks for today. Do exercises 1, 2 on page 70 workbook. Do exercises on pages 71, 72 workbook. Time to say goodbye. Thank you. See you next time.